Hello, all. My name is Lisa Rochford. I'm going into my second year um, as a master's student, so I should be graduating next May, hopefully. Um, my work experience, I've for worked at DHS for 8 years. 4 of those years was investigating reports of abuse and neglect toward children, and the last 4 were specifically investigating reports of sexual abuse towards children, um, helping the families, interviewing children, things like that. Um, my internship this past year has been at the Juvenile Justice Services Center, working with juveniles who've been arrested and charged with a crime in Philadelphia. Um, I'm about to go into my next internship. I think we moved there like end of August. And my next internship will be with an MDT unit. Our MDT unit investigates allegations that have to do with a fatality or near fatality of a child. So, more serious injuries, anything that might be complicated, and anything like that that takes a little bit more time. Um, so I'll be, helping families, still getting them resources, things like that. Also working with the police and the DAs in that respect. But uh, that's pretty much me. I chose to take this. I've chosen to take this course uh, because I've never worked with the elderly population. I have limited background with that, and I just thought it would be interesting, and I feel like it's a challenge for me to work with that population. So I was looking for some ways to kind of work around that. Um, and my grandmother right now is in a facility, which is hard because of this whole COVID situation going on. She has Alzheimer's. And so, I'm very interested in what kind of resources there are, what are the best ways to kind of interact with her, things like that. But I'm really excited to meet you all, and hopefully, this is going to be easy. I know it's difficult given the um, having to use the online technique, but I'm really excited. Thanks.